In this video, I'll show you how to create your own personal expense tracker using Copilot in Excel. You'll see how Copilot helps build the tracker step by step, and also how it tests the solution as we go. When something doesn't work the way it should, Copilot adjusts and fixes it automatically. One important thing to remember is that the quality of the result depends on your prompt. The clearer and more specific you are, the better the solution Copilot can create. And once the first version is done, you're not finished. You can always ask follow-up questions, improve the tracker, or modify it to better fit your needs. In this video, Copilot also creates clear instructions on how to use the expense tracker, so everything is easy to understand from the start. And from here, you can take this even further. You can create your own solutions or use Copilot in Excel in completely different ways. Copilot is now integrated into your daily work, and it makes working with Excel easier and more efficient overall.